Hey guys. This weekend, do you know? This weekend where we travel? Do you know Phuket?
Phuket.
Wait, choose someone.
Yeah, Phuket is cheap than Egypt. So there are beautiful beach, beautiful sea, and the sea is turquoise. That's wonderful.
No way. Egypt has pyramid, pharaoh, mummy, and pyramid have one of seven wonderful amazing.
I think this Egypt is too far and too expensive.
Yeah, that's absolutely correct. I think Phuket is the best choice for me.
What about you?
200,000 baht.
I think it's too much for cost. And me, I think Phuket around 80,000 baht.
That's good, but we have 50,000.
What?
We are gonna do.
I think we should stay home.
I will stay too.
And see.
See ya.
See ya.